السلام علیکم. حضور یہ ایک بچی کی طرف سے کوشچن ہے جس کے والد فوت ہو چکے ہیں اور کچھ حدیث نان حدیث بھی ہیں. وہ کہتے ہیں کہ روحیں جو ہیں وہ واپس آیا کرتی ہیں گھروں میں اپنے بچوں کے پاس اور ان کے لیے ختم کر دینے سے.
Just nothing to do with reality. There have been so many claims in the West by the so-called spiritualists and some others, theosophists and so on, that the spirits return in this world and you can establish contact with the spirits. The Holy Quran completely obviates the possibility and says no. It says, Haramun ala qaryatin ahlaknaha annahum ilayha la yarji'un. That it is haram, totally forbidden for a people who have left this world and left a dwelling in this world, that they will ever return to that place. That is to say, the physical visitation, that is impossible. Other contacts to those means which the religion provides through means of prayers and dreams and visions and so on, that is possible. That has been mentioned in the Holy Quran as well as in the traditions so many times. Now, the theosophists and theosophists and spiritual magazine published from England, The Unexplained. In the issues of Unexplained, you can find many such investigations and many such claims. And also there is many books. But I will tell you an interesting thing which happened here in England long ago, in 1924. When the late Muslim was here in London, he was very interested in finding out about these theosophists and spiritualists. So he had an appointment with the most famous lady of that time, who is one of the the founders of this society. And when he went to see her, she told him in definite terms that of course the spirits can visit, and whichever spirit you name is yours for the asking. So he said, all right, I would like the spirit of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam to come, and I should be given an opportunity to speak to my Lord. So after a while he said, yes, the spirit is here. So he in answer said that, all right, I want that spirit to recite Surah Fatiha to me, please. That is all. So the lady replied, after consulting the spirit, that the spirit of this gentleman doesn't know Arabic. So you can imagine the nature of fraud. The spirit of Nauzubillah bin Zalik, which she was attributing to Zulaikham, that was to prove total fraud. That Muslim had that in mind, Otherwise, of course, he knew it would never happen. But that spirit had forgotten everything anyway. Yes, please.